different. I kind of feel like I want to share more of my outfits with you guys. So I think I'm going to do kind of like my weekly outfit recaps. So I'm very excited about that. Today is Friday, so I'll show you my Friday outfit. And then I'll show you my Saturday outfit and my Sunday outfit and kind of talk about it. But I really feel like I want to show more of my outfits. So, starting with this outfit, I have my Paige jeans on that I literally cut myself. They are the Lena. Let me check my daughter. Oh, hi, baby. They're the Lena pants. And then I just have this white... Oh, your Baba? Okay. I have a white bodysuit on. That I got from Nordstrom Rack, I believe it was, a tank. And then I have this little cute thin, really thin kind of, oh, you want to hold that? Yeah. Okay. Really thin cardigan. And it has a little bow right here, and it feels a little more dressy, and I have my low ponytail on. This is Zara. Then I was like, what shoes do I put on? I think I'm just going to throw on my Goldies because you can't go wrong with the Goldies and they're very comfy. So I'll show you my full outfit. And then I currently have the diaper bag as my purse. But I also can do my little Chloe bag. That will look really cute. So I'll show you that. If I would use my purse, I would use my Chloe. So I'm going to show you guys that. Full body length. Oh, you want to show Daddy's shirt to them? Okay, let me get it. Okay, she wants to show you guys her daddy's shirt that he's going to wear. Show them, Rose. Okay, can you say hi? Hi. Oh, Shug. I love you. Okay, I also threw on my Alyssa Jeanette scrunchie, and I love how it looks. So, let me show you the full outfit really quick. Good morning. It is Saturday morning. We are headed to go have some tea at the Rose Tea Garden with my parents and Mimi. We're going to go to a couple stores after, so I'm going to take you along with me. But like I said, I want to start showing you guys all my outfits every single time I vlog. So I'll show you my full outfit in the mirror. I'm wearing my Love Shack fancy dress that I absolutely love. I thought it was perfect for tea today. Okay, let me show you my full outfit and let's head to go have my favorite vanilla rose tea. Pie? She said pie. Pie.
Rosie, go get pie.
What do you want? Pie. Pie. My daughter wants pie. She woke up wanting cake this morning.
Gosh, sweet girl.
Me too. I like the crust.
Okay, so we are at Dillard's Clearance. Just looking around, and they had really good deals. I found this good American long denim skirt for $14.99. So let's go see what else they find. Hello, guys. So we went to the Rose Garden Tea Room and had some yummy tea. And then we went to this place called the Dillard's Clearance Outlet. I think I've taken y'all there before. But honestly, guys, this store was so good. I found some great pieces. it's hard to find. Okay, so we went to Nordstrom Rack yesterday, my mom and I, and it honestly, I have not found anything at Nordstrom Rack for a great minute. I feel like I feel like they got their own brands specifically for Nordstrom Rack, so I feel like it's not what it used to be, if you know what I mean. But Dillard's clearance is a different story. So, got some coffee. If you have not had coffee today, this is your sign. Go get a coffee. So we went there, and let me show y'all what I got, and then I have some cowgirl boots to unbox with you guys. Another pair of cowgirl boots. Let me put this down really quick. And again, I love this dress from Love Shack Fancy. Okay, so I was there with my mom, and I found this Good American denim skirt, long denim skirt. I've been wanting a pretty tapered long denim skirt for a good while. I found this one, size 226 Good American denim skirt. I'm gonna wear it to church tomorrow. Has a perfect little slit down for $14.99. So that's what I'm talking about. Finding good deals and then pieces that you've been wanting. I moved my camera, let me move it a little bit. Pieces that you've been wanting that I knew I wanted a skirt, and when I saw it, I said, oh my gosh, I was just so happy because this is something I've been wanting. I try to be really good in these stores because I don't want to just buy stuff that I already have and that's just another duplicate. Like I had 3 boots in my purse, oh my gosh, in my cart on Anthropologie, and I narrowed it down to 1. Because I'm like, I need to wear what I have. Then I got this Free People little tank for like underneath shirts and dresses for only $7, originally $20. So that is a great deal. I did get a couple bras because I needed some bras. But I got them Nordstrom brands. That I used to work at Nordstrom's in the lingerie department for the bras, and I would measure and I would do all that. And the brand, my favorite bra brand, if this is TMI, but we talk about fashion here, is the Tory Feathers bra. It's my all-time favorite, and I found 2 of them there for $14.99 each, originally $72, so you cannot go wrong with that. Okay, then I found these cute shorts. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about these. These were only $14.99, and they were originally $69. They're Vince Camuto, but they are cute white shorts. They feel dressy, so they're so cute. And I apologize if you guys do hear Beauty and the Beast in the back, because Rosie's currently into Beauty and the Beast. Okay, and then I got 3 bras, 3 or 4, I think 4. And then I got this dress. Was originally $179, got it for $19.99 at Dillard's, and I saw this dress last year and I loved it. It's like a silk kind of style dress. It is so gorgeous. I love it. Oh my gosh, great pricing. I'm not even lying, look at it. So good, so good. I'll definitely be going back and getting a couple more eventually. And then I got a couple rolls. I'm not going to show you all those. Okay, and then I got my boots, which I'm so happy about. Okay, Anthropologie. You guys know me, I love a good sale. I got them on sale. They're originally $260 or $240. I got them for $125 over Memorial Day weekend. They had a sale, and I got them for $125. I've been wearing cowgirl boots, and I've been wanting to wear them more. If you guys know me, my style has always been like, I would say coastal cowgirl back then. Now I'm here in Texas, and so let's just say cowgirl style meets Love Shack, meets still California style, because I'll always wear goldies. I still have my little style, but I want more and more cowgirl boots. So I got these. Look at the bottom. They're so beautiful. I got size 7.5. This black boots. They're so cute. I just cannot. But I'm so happy now that I'm going to be sharing with you guys I usually do this, my outfits every day, but I want to really focus and explain the outfits I wear every day because that's what I'm here for. I'm more style and fashion. I want to show more fashion more than lifestyle. I've always said that, but I really want to focus on that now. But yeah, these cowgirl boots, I'll link them down below. I think they're still available at Anthropologie. They might not be the price I got them for. They might be a little more expensive, but I'll link them down below. But you can never go wrong with another cowgirl boot in your closet. That I'm definitely going to wear it. I'll definitely show you guys how I style them. Yeah, so I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. I'll show you guys my outfit tomorrow with my denim skirt. Maybe I'll throw a cowgirl boot. And then, yeah, it's going to be a good day tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. My parents are still here, so I get to spend more time with them. More time, the better. Okay, see you tomorrow. It is Sunday morning. We are headed to church. I'm going to show you guys a full view of my outfit. I love the skirt that I got yesterday. The best, $14.99 I've spent. Even my bra is perfect. It fits like a glove. Guys, I scored yesterday at Dillard's clearance. I literally did. Okay, I'll show you my full outfit. I feel so Western. I'm going to add my Gucci scarf to my neck as well. And then we're going to head to church, and then we're going to go to the downtown Fort Worth after. So let's go.
Risky's barbecue.